दीपस्य प्रकाशः न केवलं भवतः गृहम् उज्ज्वलितो जीवनम् अपि. With the gleam of auspicious diyas and echo of holy chants, may happiness and prosperity fill your life forever. I am Darsha Chidi of class 10 CBSE studying in Shantiniketan Public School. Diwali. Diwali is also referred to as a festival of light which is celebrated every year in the spring according to the southern hemisphere when it is autumn in the northern hemisphere. Diwali is also known as Deepavali. It is a festival which is celebrated nationwide. Diwali was celebrated in India since ancient times. Now it is not easy to tell what the real reason behind its origin was. Different individuals think that the cause behind these festivities are varying occurrences. Possibly, there are 10 different mythical and interesting stories behind Deepavali. So let us now listen these stories. Are you ready for it? Let's
शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्यम धन संपदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते. I am Tanush Gowda of class 10 CBSE from Shantiniketan group of institution. I would like to share you all a very interesting story about the Rama's return to Ayodhya, which become a part of a reason to celebrate Diwali. The most well-known story behind Diwali is in Ramayana, the great Hindu epic. I think many of you have heard the story of Ramayana. So according to Ramayana, Rama, the prince of Ayodhya, was ordered by his father King Dasharatha to go away from his country and come back after living in the forest for 14 years. So Rama went on exile with his devoted wife Sita and the faithful brother Lakshmana. When Ravana, the demon king of Lanka, abducted Sita and took her away to his island kingdom of Lanka, Rama fought against and killed Ravana. Rama rescued Sita and returned to Ayodhya after 14 years. The people of Ayodhya, they were very happy to hear of their beloved prince homecoming. So, to celebrate this, they lit up their houses with diyas, that is earthen lamps, burst crackers and decorated the entire city in the grandest manner. This is believed to have started the tradition of Diwali. Year after year, this homecoming of Lord Rama is commemorated on Diwali with lights, fireworks, bursting of crackers and merriments. The festival gets its name Deepavali or Diwali, that the people of Ayodhya lit to welcome their king Lord Rama. I pray and hope that the lights of Diwali illuminate the new chapter of your life, and happy Diwali!
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. Myself Varshini from class 10 CBSE of Shantiniketan group of institutions. Another well-known story related to Diwali history is narrated in the other Hindu epic Mahabharata. Mahabharata reveals to us how the 5 royal brothers, the Pandavas, suffered a defeat in the hands of their brothers, the Kauravas, in a game of dice gambling. As a rule imposed on them, the Pandavas had to serve a term of 13 years in exile. When the period was over, they returned to their birthplace Hastinapura on the Kartik Amavasya, the new moon day on the Kartik month. The 5 Pandava brothers, their mother and their wife Draupadi were honest, kind, gentle and caring in their ways and were loved by all their subjects. To celebrate the joyous occasion of their return to Hastinapura and to welcome back the Pandavas, the common people illuminated their state by lighting bright earthen lamps everywhere. The tradition is believed to have been kept alive to the festival of Diwali, which many believe is held in the remembrance of the Pandava brothers' homecoming. I wish you all a very happy Deepavali. Let this Diwali bring lots of love, light and prosperity to your life. Thank you.
ओम महालक्ष्म्याय च विद्महे ओम विष्णुपत्न्याय च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्. I wish you all a very happy Deepavali. I am Kirtana R of class 10 CBSE from Shantiniketan Public School. I have an interesting story to tell you about Diwali. It is believed that on this very Diwali day, the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, rose up from the ocean. The Hindu scriptures tell us that long ago, both devas, gods and asuras, demons, were mortal. They have to die sometime or other like us, but they wanted to live forever. So they churned the ocean to seek Amrita, the nectar of immortality, and even mentioned in Hindu scriptures as Samudra Manthan. During this, many divine objects came up. Prime among this was goddess Lakshmi, the daughter of the king of the Milky Ocean. She arose on the new moon day, that is on the Amavasya of the Kartik month. That very night, Lord Vishnu married her. Brilliant lamps were illuminated and kept in rows to mark this holy occasion. This event is supposed to have given rise to an annual celebration at the same time each year. Even today, Hindus celebrate the birth of goddess Lakshmi and her marriage to Lord Vishnu. on Diwali and seek her blessings for the coming year. Thank you. I hope you all have happy, healthy and safe Diwali.
May the brightness of shimmering lanterns always stays in your life and make you bright. This is Amansi of Class 10 CBSE from Shantiniketan Public School. I would like to share the most interesting stories that back up Diwali. The origin of Diwali also refers to the stories narrated in the Hindu Puranas, the primary source of Hindu religious texts. According to Bhagavad Purana, it was on a Kartik day that Lord Vishnu took on the form of dwarf, Vaman Avtara and defeated King Bali. Bali, or rather King Mahabali, was a powerful demon king who ruled the earth. Once Bali got a boon from Lord Brahma that made him unconquerable. Even gods failed to defeat him in battles. Although wise and good king otherwise, Mahabali was cruel to Devas. Finding no way to defeat Bali, Devas went to Lord Vishnu and insisted him to find a way to defeat Bali. Lord Vishnu made a plan. He disguised himself as a short Brahmin and approached Bali for some charity. A large-hearted king Mahabali tried to help the short Brahmin, but the whole thing was tricked by Lord Vishnu. And ultimately the king had to give up all his kingship and wealth. Diwali celebrates this defeating of Mahabali by Lord Vishnu. May diyas enlighten your spirit and vanish darkness in your life. Wishing you a happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you.
This is Sri Lakshmi of Class 10 CBSE from Shantiniketan Public School. I am here to share a very interesting story with you guys. The Bhagavad Purana also tells us about Narakasura, an evil demon king who somehow got great powers and conquered both heaven and earth. Narakasura was very cruel and was a terrible ruler. It is believed that Lord Vishnu killed Narakasura on the day before Diwali and rescued many women whom the demon had locked in his place. The people of heaven and earth were greatly revealed to have got freedom from the hands of the terrible Narakasura. They celebrated the occasion with much grandeur, a tradition that is believed to be alive through the annual observance of Diwali. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you.
जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवधात्री स्वाहा स्वादा नमोस्तुते. Let the beauty of Festival of Lights fill your home with all the happiness and prosperity. This is Varshini P of Class 10 CBSE from Shantiniketan Group of Institution. I would like to share you an interesting story about Diwali. According to another legend, long ago, after gods lost in a battle with the demons, Goddess Kali took birth from the forehead of Goddess Durga to save heaven and earth from the growing cruelty of the demons. After killing all the devils, Kali lost her control and started killing anyone who came her way, which only stopped when Lord Shiva intervened. You all must have seen the well-known picture of Ma Kali with her tongue hanging out. That actually depicts the moment when she steps on Lord Shiva and stops in horror and repentance. This memorable event has been commemorated ever since by celebrating Kali Puja, which is observed in several parts of India in about the same time as Diwali. I think you all have got the reason why the birth of Kali took place. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you.
दीपस्य प्रकाशना केवलं भावतं ग्राम उज्ज्वलतु जीवनम् अपि. A very good evening to everyone. I am Sanjeev of Class 10 CBSE. This evening, I am going to be telling you two of the most interesting stories that back up Diwali. The first one being the story of the legendary Hindu king of India, King Vikramaditya. Historically, it is believed that on a Diwali day in 56 BC, the legendary Hindu king of India, King Vikramaditya, who is known for his bravery, wisdom and large-heartedness, was crowned and declared to be a king. This was marked by a grand celebration by the people of Vikramaditya's kingdom. They celebrated the coronation of their king by lighting up small earthen lamps. Surprisingly, this custom still prevails in many parts of the country. Many people and even some historians state that this custom has eventually given rise to the annual observance of Diwali. The second story that backs up Diwali is the story of Swami Dayananda Saraswati. As you all know, Swami Dayananda Saraswati is one of the greatest reformers of Hinduism. It is said that on a new moon day of Kartik, that is on the Diwali day, Swami Dayananda Saraswati attained his nirvana, that is enlightenment. And then after, he came to be known as Maharishi Dayananda, the great sage Dayananda. In 1875, he founded the Arya Samaj. the Society of the Nobles, which aimed at purifying Hinduism of all the evils it became associated with in that era. Till date, many people remember this great reformer on the Diwali day. I hope you enjoyed these both stories. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Suhail Sharif of Class 10 CBSE, Shantiniketan Public School. I would like to narrate you a story related to Diwali, which stands for the triumph of goodness over evil. For Jains, Diwali commemorates the enlightenment of Vardhamana Mahavira, who was not only the founder of modern Jainism but also the last and the final Tirthankara. And you will be shocked to note that this is said to have occurred on 15 October 527 BC. And this is one more reason to engage in Diwali celebration for pious Jains, and other than the purpose of commemoration, the festival stands for the celebration of the emancipation of human spirits from earthly desires. So, let's celebrate this enormous Diwali by lighting up beautiful diyas. Wishing you a happy and jubilant Diwali to everyone. Thank you.
सिद्धि बुद्धि प्रदे देवी भक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायिनी मातृपुते सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते. This is Zena Kashin from class 10 CBSE Shantiniketan Public School. I would like to share how Diwali is related to the various custom and culture of India. For Sikhs, Diwali holds a special significance, for it was on a Diwali day the third Sikh Guru Amar Das institutionalized the festival of lights as an occasion when all Sikhs would gather to receive the Guru's blessings. It was also on a Diwali day in 1619, the Sikh religious leader, Guru Hargobind Ji, who was held by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir in the Gwalior fort, was freed from imprisonment along with 52 other Hindu kings whom he had arranged to be released as well. And it was also on this auspicious occasion of Diwali when the foundation stone of the Golden Temple at Amritsar was laid in 1577. The rituals and preparations of this festival extend up to 5 days, but the main festival of Diwali is celebrated in the night, the darkest night of the Hindu lunisolar month, which we all know as Kartik Mas. This Diwali night falls between mid-October to mid-November. The range of this festival varies significantly among Hindus. In various parts of India, the festivities start the Dhanteras, which is the first day, Naraka Chaturdashi on the second day, Deepavali on the third day, Diwali Padwa or Govardhan Puja on the fourth day, and the fifth and last is Bhai Dooj, which is dedicated to the sister-brother bond. May the divine light of Diwali spread into your lives happiness, prosperity and good health. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali once again. Thank you.
I have another interesting story related to Diwali. Dhanteras, the festival of wealth, is the first day of 5-day celebrations of Diwali festival. This is celebrated throughout India as well as outside the nation. The significance of Dhanteras is the puja of wealth, and according to the Hindu lunar calendar, it is done on the 13th day in the Krishna Paksha dark fortnight of Ashwin month. Goddess Lakshmi Puja is held on this day, and there is a custom to buy something valuable. It carries a lot of fate and prosperity to home. On this day, lamp is lit in the evening and Dhanlakshmi is greeted in the house. It seems very interesting, right? Designs from Alpana or Rangoli are made on paths including the footprints of goddess to mark Lakshmi's arrival. Aartis or hymns of devotion are sung eulogizing goddess Lakshmi, and she is offered sweets and fruits. Hindus along with goddess Lakshmi on Dhanteras also worship Lord Kuber as treasurer of wealth and bestower of wealth. The possibility of doubling the advantages of such prayers is the practice of worshipping goddess Lakshmi and god Kuber together. Thank you.
Supreme light, illumine your mind, enlighten your heart, and strengthen the human bond in your home and community. By saying this, I would like to introduce myself. I am Parinati of class 10 CBSE from Shantiniketan Public School. I would like to share some interesting story related to Diwali. We know Ma Parvati. She is the wife of Lord Shiva. Some legend claims that Lord Shiva considered goddesses Parvati played a dice on this day with her husband and won. And so is a custom followed by some Hindus where entrepreneurs play dice, lottery, god or gambling to ensure the wealth and prosperity throughout the year. Once the sea was churned by gods and demons to get Amrita or nectar. Another legend behind celebrating Diwali is Dhanvantari had emerged from the sea journey the same day as the Dhanteras is celebrated. This festival plays a vital role in the life of a people of India. It brings a lot of happiness, wealth, wisdom, prosperity, and all good destiny for all. As this day is the birthday of their Dhanvantari, all the new innovation related to medical science are established on this day. I wish you all the happy and prosperous Diwali.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वंतरे अमृत कलश हस्ताय सर्वाभय विनाशनाय त्रैलोकनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे नमः. This is Silchana C. Shetty of class 10 CBSE from Shantiniketan Public School. I wish to share you an interesting story about Diwali. The story of Lord Dhanvantari. Lord Dhanvantari, who is considered as an incarnation of Lord Vishnu and the physician of deities. He came out of the ocean which was churned by both the deities and the demons on the day of Dhanteras. It was said that Lord Dhanvantari was appeared with Ayurveda for the well-being of mankind. The story of King Hima. King Hima's son was expected to die on the 4th day of their marriage, and the cause was snake bite. When his smart wife learnt about this forecast, she did not let her husband die and she created a plan. On the 4th day of their marriage, at the door of their room, she gathered all the riches and jewels and lit a lamp every nook and corner of their location. She then started singing songs and started saying tales one by one to prevent her husband from sleeping. On the other hand, the god of death, Lord Yama, arrived in the shape of a snake in the midnight. His eyes were blinded by the bright lights and lamps' radiance, and he could not enter their room. As King Sun's wife kept singing songs and telling stories all night long so that he could not enter their room, and Lord Yama silently left the place in the morning. The wife saved her husband's life from cruel death's hand. Since then, Dhanteras days is also been known as Yamadipdan Day, and it has become a ritual to lit a diya or lamp and maintain it burning all night long with regard of Lord Yama, the god of death. Thank you. Happy, safe and eco-friendly Diwali to everyone.
Diwali is the most popular festival of Hindu religion whose spirituality signifies the victory of good over evil, the victory of light over darkness, hope over despair and knowledge over ignorance. The celebration includes millions of lights which shine on the house rooftops, near doors and windows in the countries where it is celebrated or observed. May the light of Diya illuminate not just your home but your life too. Wishing a happy, bright, colorful and safe Diwali to one and all. May this Diwali bring you lots of success, wealth, health and prosperity. This signing off. This is Dhanushree JD.